In hazardous industrial environments, electrical safety isn't just a compliance requirement, it's a life-saving practice. Anywhere explosive gases or dusts are present, electrical systems must be managed with absolute precision. This video explores the 7 essential pillars of electrical safety in hazardous areas, designed to help engineers like you reduce risk and stay compliant. It starts with classification. You can't protect what you haven't defined. Under the IEC system, Zones 0, 1, and 2 identify gas hazards. Zones 20, 21, and 22 cover dust. In North America, the NEC uses Divisions 1 and 2. The lower the number, the higher the risk. Once your zone is defined, select the right protection method. Flame-proof housings contain internal explosions. Intrinsically safe devices limit energy so sparks can't occur. Pressurized enclosures isolate dangerous atmospheres. Every product must be certified and clearly marked for its zone and application. Installation is critical. The best equipment means nothing if it's poorly installed. Only trained professionals should work in hazardous areas. Cable entries must be sealed, glands secured, bonding connected, and everything must comply with the relevant standards. Equipment must be used within its rated limits. No overloads, no unauthorized changes, and no ignoring alarms. Only trained personnel should handle live systems in hazardous zones. Even the most reliable equipment degrades over time. That's why regular inspections are essential. Look for wear, corrosion, damaged seals, or unapproved modifications. Inspections should follow a documented plan, with findings recorded and acted on. Maintenance ensures long-term safety and performance. Clean, test, calibrate, and replace worn components, always using certified parts. Beyond equipment, a strong safety system includes management of change procedures and emergency planning. Any alteration, physical or process-based, must be assessed for its impact on zone classification. From classification to maintenance, each stage in the equipment lifecycle plays a role in preventing ignition, air, and protecting lives. In hazardous areas, electrical safety isn't an option. It's a responsibility. Stay vigilant, stay compliant, and always protect the people behind the systems.